Let's have a go at these questions with four-sided shapes. First thing we need to know is that the sum of any four-sided shape have angles that sum to 360 degrees. Alright, there's a reason for that. Let's say I split this shape into two sets of triangles. We know this upper triangle has angles that add up to 180, and then we have a lower triangle that has angles that also add up to 180 degrees. And then when I remove this line, you can see that all the angles together make up a total of 360 degrees. So that's going to make our life solving for x very simple then. Take the sum of these three, 140, 120, and 80, and we get 3 zeros, we get 14, we get 340 degrees, and to solve for x, we just need to do 360, subtract 340, and our answer is 20 degrees. Let's have a go at question 11. So, in this scenario, we are given two sets of parallel lines. So we're going to have to use some of our rules. Now, what are they? We've got the x rule, the z rule, the c rule, and the f rule. Now, there's one that doesn't apply to parallel lines, and it's the x rule. Okay? X rule does not apply to parallel lines. So we're looking for rules that help us with the z, the c, or the f. Now, I'm thinking we're going to go for the c rule here. Let's say we start with trying to solve for p. And the c rule works this way, that way, this way, that way. And the c rule says that p plus 70 has to equal 180 degrees. And that means p is going to be 180 take away 70, which is 110 degrees. And I'll just write that in now. Right, let's solve for q this time. And I'm going to use the c rule again, but the c is now going to go this way, that way, and this way. So, these two angles now add up to 180 degrees. And that means q plus 110 is equal to 180, and hopefully you can see that q is going to be 70 degrees. Well, what do you think r is going to be? If these two are 70, this one would have to be 110. Okay, good luck with your questions.